Welcome to one of our absolutely favourite semi-detached villas in Paradise Beach. We are just one row behind the Frontline 5-bed villas, which we're also very proud to have a couple to market. So, steps from the ocean, and this has to be one of the nicest villas available. Superb value for money, fully furnished. So let's have a look. As we enter from the left, we have this fully fitted kitchen. All the appliances included. Indeed, everything you see here is included, down to the last teaspoon. So you have dishwasher, washing machine, a large fridge freezer, a superb range of eye level and base units, cooker with extractor. Also downstairs you have superb air conditioning, a lovely big dining table, and importantly, to show you, a downstairs cupboard that houses a very good sized boiler. Bear in mind when I said that everything is included, you've got bikes here, you've got golfing equipment, snorkeling equipment, absolutely everything. Off the kitchen, with its own lockable door, you have a downstairs bathroom, which then, when the door is locked, becomes an ensuite for this superb downstairs bedroom. Again, air conditioning and fan, both working, fly screens on the windows and blackout blinds. Look at what you wake up to. A glorious west-facing sunny balcony outside. Lovely little tropical garden and glimpses of the sea beyond. The family who own this have used it as a winter home for many happy years, since they bought this off plan back in around 2007. They are selling due to bereavement and leaving absolutely everything that you see here to the next lucky owners, in the hope that they too will enjoy many, many years of happiness here as they did. Again, fans and air conditioning. It's been beautifully furnished and decorated, maintained to the highest standards. Full leather sofas, even a drinks trolley for you. And you step outside to your downstairs terrace. There is no neighbour next door here. And look at the size of this terrace. Wonderful, solid wood furniture. Wonderful place, quiet place to enjoy a drink or your breakfast. And we will make a separate video of the upstairs to come now.